Hi, I'm Patrick Duggar. I'm going to show you how to hook a washing machine up in an apartment to your kitchen faucet. First of all, take your adapter from your faucet off, go to your Home Depot, match it up to one of these that has threads on it that fit your faucet. Second, you can pick this up that hooks to your faucet from your Home Depot also, that connects to your hot and cold on your washer. All you need is 1.5" Schedule 40 10-foot piece cut to your length. Get you a hacksaw, some channel locks, a hammer, tape measure, PVC cement, and then there's I nailed the bracket to hold this end of the pipe up. I got about an 8-inch piece for my drain that I have my washer in. Got an 1.5" elbow curve all the way back over there. You have to measure it to your length. And then I got 90-degree elbow. And then I got a 45 here to come out. And then a Y and a short piece right here with an elbow for drain over here, and over here. And all I do is hook it up, turn on whatever, cold, hot water, whatever I'm washing, and I don't have to worry about it. I hope this helps a whole bunch of people out. Thank you.